For today's lesson, we will be talking about linear inequality word problems. We're going to take a look at two examples. The first one here is just going to be a single inequality. The second one, we're going to look at a system. What we're going to be doing is writing the inequalities from the words. Then we're going to go out to Desmos to look at the graph. And then we'll talk about how you might need to write your solution or be able to interpret the word problem. So for the first one here, it says the boys and girls soccer clubs are trying to raise money for new uniforms. The boys soccer club is selling candy for $4 a box, and the girls soccer club is selling candles for $7. They must raise more than $800. Write an inequality that expresses this situation and display it on the graph below, which again, we're going to go out to Desmos to do that piece. So first and foremost, for all of these, we should be writing two variable inequalities. So I'm going to start by defining what X and Y are, so we're super clear when we write the inequality out. If I look back through the words, I see that there's generally two things that they're talking about. There's two things for sale. The boys are selling candy, the girls are selling candles. So I'm going to call X the, let's see, we're selling candy in boxes. So number of boxes of candy. And the girls are selling candles, so I'll call Y the number of candles. And then simply put, I'm just going to kind of match the numbers together with the variable that they correspond to. So the candy was being sold for $4 a box. So if I have 4X, that means I'll take each box of candy times 4 to figure out how much money they're bringing in for those. And the girls are selling candles for $7. So that would be 7 times Y in this case. And since they're collaborating here to raise their money, we can then add those two totals together. And it says that we want to raise more than $800. So the total that we just got right here, the 4X plus 7Y, needs to be more than 800. And more than is another phrase for greater than. So I can put our greater than symbol, not equal to here because it says they have to raise strictly more than $800. So now, in this case, our first step is done. We've written the inequality. There's only one here. So we'll go out to Desmos and we will graph it to take a look at the solution set there.